The Global Positioning System, that is GPS technology, powers navigation across military, aviation, maritime, and civilian sectors, but remains vulnerable to jamming, spoofing, and signal interference. These threats, increasingly common in modern warfare, can compromise weapons accuracy, troop movements, and logistics. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. To address these risks, India is developing a quantum-based magnetic navigation system, that is QMNS, capable of delivering precise location data without relying on satellites. By using quantum sensors to detect variations in the Earth's magnetic field, QMNS creates unique magnetic signature maps for reliable positioning. Unlike GPS, which depends on potentially compromised satellite signals, QMNS is self-contained and resistant to interferences. This enables accurate navigation in environments such as deep underwater tunnels or areas affected by electronic warfare. The technology has critical defense applications. The fighter jets, drones, and missiles can maintain targeting accuracy in GPS-denied zones, which submarines and AUVs can navigate stealthily without surfacing. Ground forces can also operate effectively in dense terrains or underground facilities. Beyond defense, QMNS offers potential in civil aviation, maritime shipping, and disaster recovery, where GPS disruptions pose risks. Challenges include miniaturized hardware, building detailed magnetic maps, and scaling domestic manufacturing. Aligned with Atmanirbhar Bharat, QMNS positions India to join global leaders in quantum navigation, enhancing both security and strategic autonomy. Let's look into today's headlines. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India launches India's first property rating system for faster 4G, 5G, and broadband. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has introduced India's first manual for rating of properties for digital connectivity, offering a standard framework to evaluate buildings' readiness for high-speed, reliable internet. With over 80% of mobile data consumed indoors, the initiative addresses weak 4G or 5G signals caused by modern constructions. The framework sets clear criteria for fiber readiness, mobile coverage, Wi-Fi, broadband speed, and user experience. It aims to make digital connectivity as essential as electricity, guiding developers, buyers, and tenants towards better in-building network infrastructure. Cesars debuts in India and promises a healthier, bot-free social media experience. Cesars, a US-based social media platform, has launched in India, aiming to create a respectful, bot-free digital space. The platform eliminates anonymity, combats fake accounts, and encourages authentic engagement through a revolutionary reputation engine. Users can prioritize or block content, fostering healthy conversations. Built on the Frequency blockchain with Project Liberty, Cesars offers single sign-on, user-controlled digital wallets and ownership of identity, content, and followers, challenging the traditional platform's control and paving the way for an open, interoperable social web. Microsoft dangles $250 million pay packages to lure Meta's top AI talent. Microsoft is ramping up its AI recruitment drive by targeting top engineers and researchers from Meta, offering multi-million-dollar packages reportedly reaching $250 million. According to reports, the company has compiled a list of high-priority Meta employees, including their names, locations, and roles, with focus areas such as Reality Labs, Gen AI infrastructure, and Meta AI research. Backed by a fast-track hiring process, Microsoft can deliver its best offer within 24 hours, aiming to secure elite AI talent and strengthening its leadership in the sector. UPI glitch hits users with payment delays. UPI users are complaining recurring episodes of payment delays and frozen screens across India. The National Payments Corporation of India, that is NPCI, clarified that the UPI platform was functioning normally and attributed the issues to internal technical problems at some banks. NPCI worked with affected lenders for a quick fix. The incident coincides with the UPI's record 19.47 billion transactions in July, worth rupees 25.8 lakh crore. NPCI also introduced a new rule limiting balance checks to 50 per day via UPI apps. The Reserve Bank of India to clear checks in hours and not days from October 4th. The Reserve Bank of India will overhaul the check transaction system from October 4th of 2025, slashing check clearance time from up to 2 working days to just a few hours during business hours. Banks must scan checks between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. and confirm by 7 p.m., after which pending items will be auto-settled. From January 3rd of 2026, Phase 2 will mandate check confirmation within 3 hours and crediting of funds within 1 hour post-settlement. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.